Hey, Steve here. Just a quick video recap on the graphics that I've just put up and the graphics that you got in the email. First of all, here is, since I sent out that email on the 16th of October, these are the returns for the 6 days only using our racing price monitor on the, if there's an all green in the top 3. And you can see here the favourite, we had 44 runners for 25 winners, 57% strike rate, profit of 14 units there, or 34% on return of investment. The second favourite in the market, we had 22 runners with the second favourite, all green. We had 10 winners, so 45% strike rate and 26 points profit there, or 121% ROI. If you don't know what return on investment is, it means how much are we getting back. So for the second favourite, for every pound that we bet on the second favourite, we got £1.21 back. Okay, that was our return on our investment. So that's we got our pound back and we made an extra £1.21 back on the second favourite. The third favourites, we had 26 bets for only 5 winners, but obviously their prices are a bit higher, being the third favourite, so a 19% strike rate, 10 points profit, and 42% return on our investment. So over those 6 days, we had 92 bets for 40 winners, a 43% strike rate, and a return on our investment of 57%. So for every £1 we made 57p profit. And in the little graph here, you can see there, the green is the top horse in the market. You can see there, and the orange is the second favourite and the grey is the third favourite. So you can see there how many winners we had and how much profit we made for them. So basically, in that 6 days since I sent the last email to you, we can see here from the 16th, which is from this square here, this is the period since I sent the last email. So we've gone there from just over 40 points profit all the way up here now to 85. So we've made 45 points profit added to this graph, a little bit more actually. And we can see here, if I just go over here, in those 6 days we had that one losing day there. On the 18th we had 9 bets, we only had 1 winner. It was a short price one, and so that was our only losing day. So since I've been doing the one green top 3 since the 8th of October, we've had 1, 2, 3, 4 losing days, and all the rest have been winning. And you can see there we've had a combined growth of 37%. We've had 230 bets, so plenty of action. I know this method won't suit everyone, but if you like watching the racing and you're at the monitor, or you can use our RPM on your iPad or on your phone, a little bit small on the phone, but you can still see the all greens. You can bet with Betfair, you can bet with the bookies. This is a great way. You don't have to do, I mean, it does take a bit of time, but you may jump in and do a couple of hours you've got spare, or if you're locked down, then you've got all day spare. Then why not turn some of that wasted time into money? As I said, in those last 6 days since I've sent that email to you, thanks for everyone who did buy. And in that period, if you were betting £10 a selection, you would have had 90 bets. You would have made £552 profit on the Betfair prices. Okay, so it's up to you, but it is a great tool. This is only one way. I had my good mate Phil say to me the other day, he's using the 4 and 5 all greens, and although that made a small loss of 4.5 points last night, yesterday it made 28 points profit. So if you want to look at the 4 and 5 method, you can run that simultaneously with this one all green. So I've gone on for too long. Thanks for watching this video, and I hope you get involved in Racing Price Monitor, an excellent tool. And this we're using on the UK racing, but it has all the other countries that Betfair cover as well. Thanks again on behalf of myself and Michael. Cheers.